really need somebody. I really need somebody. Tell me you that somebody. I don't care about your body. Love the way you touch my body. From the back, get body. I never tell nobody. Love the way you touch my body. From the back, get body. I never tell nobody. I really need somebody.
Good morning, y'all. It's Asian Day coming to you live at 5 noon. It's now 5 o'clock where I am.
We in Miami turning up another night. We smoking broccoli, but she smelling like a rat. Got me in a penny trying to get out in a cry.
It is currently, let's see, Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 10:45 a.m.
Perfect. It's 10:45 a.m. And as y'all can see by the title of today's video, this is a deep Sunday reset. So as of right now, this is what my room is giving. It's not the best, but it's definitely not the worst it's ever been. So we're gonna wash a lot of things. We're gonna wipe a lot of things down that normally don't get wiped down on a daily deep or on a daily Sunday reset. And we're just gonna make it feel fresh, new, and a lot better. I'm going to start off by washing my sheets, pillowcases, covers, all that stuff, so that stuff can get started. Then we'll move on to clothes. And then while that's washing, I think the first thing I want to do is start with these shelves over here, so that way we can wipe them down and then get everything put back. So I am going to take all 50 million of my vitamins. Y'all know the drill. First one, apple cider vinegar. Second one, and then y'all, I just brush my teeth as a part of like my morning routine. Y'all know. If y'all haven't seen my morning routine video, click right here. Doing stuff after you brush your teeth. I do not like the taste of these, but I'm going to finish them because I bought them. But once they're gone, they taste like like they have oil in them, and you can still, it's 2% oil, but women's vitamins. The last ones I took was D3 gummies, which help with bone support.
That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster.
We're officially like cleaning stuff, so now we're about to put stuff back. Everything is so dusty, so now I'm every 10 seconds. Besides the point, I think I'm gonna open the window to let it breeze in to get all the dust out.
Never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. I got something that I could lend you. A peace of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. I get you home.
I feel like that's cute. I like this a lot more. I like when I rearrange it and just be giving, but okay, smoothly done. However, it's not thick. The protein powder is gonna be a bit much, because I normally don't do 2 scoops. I usually do 1. I'm sad that it's not gonna be thick. Cause I like my stuff on the thicker side, but that's what it's giving. Y'all look, my sandwiches look so good. OMG. Next thing I believe I'm going to work on is my vanity, which I just cleaned not that long ago. So it really just needs to be reorganized and stuff to have a place. That way I can also eat my food and watch YouTube. I don't like how the bread is so soft. I'm about to eat and watch YouTube. I heard Poppy outside. The weather and it's getting real Poppy outside. My vanity is good and straightened. Here's what it's giving. Please do not mind me. This is what it's giving. This is what it looks like every day. This is going in the trash because it's from last night. But this is what the rest looks like, and this is how I like it to look. Mom's mounting my TV today, so I kind of need to figure out exactly where I want my TV to go. I think I want it to go right below that painting, or yeah, right below this. So I think air purifier. Got my air purifier going because it was just so dusty in here that I felt like it just needed to go. But that'll be cool because once the TV is lifted, the air purifier we working full time. And now I'm about to clean my fan because my fan is so dusty. Everything's getting clean today. Hey y'all, okay, so I'm back. I just finished officially cleaning my fan. Okay, my vlogging phone has died right now, so we're on my other phone, but my fan has been cleaned. It was like a whole bunch of hair on this part, so I cleaned it off.
We both still young, so what's the rush? The night is young, we're not drunk enough. You'll come around if I don't do too much. We had our downs, but we had way more ups. Let's make love. That be the reason that you always hit me up. So you like the way I feel, cause I get rough. You told me your new man don't make you listen. I'm saying, come here, I'm not.
Okay, so hey y'all, I think I'm gonna remove that top shelf to where that box is and move the box up because I don't want some purses up there anymore.
Look at her. Look at her, Lord, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Ay, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Ay, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Whichever one is in the household. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. I got something that I could lend you. A peace of mind, baby, come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck.
Can I testify to you? I'm so that like you, that bitch I do it. Oh, I won't promise kidding. I'm not. Long as you joking now here for me. I ain't got it. My bitch can't do it. I your body. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just like you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I get lost when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you.
Look at her. Look at her, Lord, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Ay, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Ay, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Whichever one is in the household. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that.
Okay, we are back. I have officially finished, for the most part, cleaning my room. The only thing I need to worry about is putting the rest of my clothes up. And I believe that is really it. The next thing is me getting something to eat for dinner, and then me meal prepping, which I'm just having. And that's my least favorite part about Sunday is meal prepping, because it takes so long to do because I have to cook everything. Well, I don't have to cook everything. I just have to cook the turkey burgers, because the grilled chicken, it comes pre-cooked. So all I have to do is heat it up. Y'all seen me eat that chicken earlier. That's the chicken. But that's the chicken that I'm trying to align my phone. There we go. And that's the chicken I'm going to be eating as long. Like, I make these bowls. Y'all have seen me make them before. White rice, broccoli, and chicken or turkey burger. I tried it with ground beef one time, or not ground beef, ground turkey. I just can't get behind it. It's something about the ground turkey mixed with it. It's just like nicey, but I like the turkey burger better. I decided that I'm going to have a sandwich for dinner, like from Penn Station, Jimmy John's, or Subway, but I don't know which place I want yet. So till I decide that, that's where we're at. So that's everything I got for y'all right now. Meal prep, eat dinner, take a shower, go to bed. And I still have another video I need to record, most likely tomorrow. And that one will be up before this one, so go click that right there and watch it. And that's really about it. It's 4:07. I think I deserve like a small break, so I'm probably gonna take like 20 minutes, so till 4:30. Okay, hey y'all, I am back. Right now I'm watching Hannah Montana, but I will see y'all tomorrow for the meal prep, because today I'm just tired, and I think I did a lot for one day, but I'm ready to rest and chill. My TV is mounted. I'm so happy. Thank you to my mama. She is the best ever. So mom, when you see this, you two fingers touch it. You two fingers touch it. But I'm about to chill. It's 7:31 currently, so that's what I'm gonna do. And then shower, go to bed, and I'll see y'all tomorrow so we can meal prep and then end this Sunday reset off right. Oh my god, y'all, it's Tuesday and I have not picked up my camera since I last told y'all I was gonna meal prep on Sunday, and I told y'all I was gonna meal prep on Monday. No, it's Tuesday and I'm just now meal prepping. I'm doing turkey burgers, fried rice, and broccoli this week. So that's what it's giving. Okay, right now I'm making my overnight oats. I don't know if I've ever told y'all how I make them, but I do half a cup of dairy-free milk because I'm lactose intolerant, and I do a full mini cup of this coconut-based yogurt alternative because, like I said, dairy-free, or my stomach is going to be hurting. Okay. So I put that in there, and I go in with my oat, a little bit of honey, and chia seeds. And that's how I do mine. I'm mixing the milk and the yogurt right now. My mom, she really just gets flavors, but I'm gonna tell her I just want all like vanilla or all blueberry, because I usually do blueberry because the texture of them goes so good. And overnight oats, like, I don't know how, I don't know why, but blueberries are the best fruit. I've done strawberry. Let me not say that, because I only did two fruits, which is strawberry and strawberry and blueberry. And blueberry is my favorite. I love strawberry. Strawberry is my favorite fruit, but they just feel so soggy in the overnight oats. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. And y'all, my meat is still cooking. My meat is still cooking. At least my hamburger meat. For the most part, all of my so this time she got mango, cherry, banana, mango, cherry, strawberry, and that's it. Y'all didn't hear that. Ignore. At least for my sake. I think my favorite yogurt that I've had with this is, I need coconut coke. Y'all, coconut coke was too. Y'all, oh my gosh, my rice is done. It's like perfect. I cooked it for 7 minutes and it's not hard. It's fluffy. Yes, and we're gonna make fried rice. Like fried rice, because it's not gonna be like super soy saucy, because I don't want too much sodium. I'm so excited, y'all. And I love how I can tell in my face that I've been taking better care of myself and how I eat, because it's giving. Okay, let me lock in. I don't know where I'm gonna set y'all. I didn't know that don't have no place to set y'all. Normally I set y'all where my iPad is, but my parents here, so yeah. It really be for background noise though, so.
Look at it. Look at him, Lord, man. Look at him. That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Ay, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Ay, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. I got something that I could lend you. A piece of mind, baby, come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck.
Yeah, okay, I cooked my broccoli and it said 5 minutes, but it's still cold. I don't like that. But I seasoned it. Garlic powder, onion powder, and pepper. So I'm gonna put these back in there for like 2.5 minutes because one, I need them for my dinner now, but also like, you feel me? Cleaning my pan. Some of my stuff already has broccoli in it. Some of them do not.
So what's the rush? Tonight is funny, we not drunk enough. You'll come around if I don't do too much. We had our downs, but we had way more ups. Let's make love. That be the reason that you always hit me up. So you like the way I look, cause I get rough. You told me your new man will make you that's a thing I'm saying. You come here, I knock it. We both still young, so what's the rush? Tonight is funny, we not drunk enough. You'll come around if I don't do too much. We had our downs, but we had way more ups. Let's make love. That be the reason that you always hit me up. So you like the way I feel, cause I get rough.
Hey y'all, I just wanted to close this video out because I didn't. Thank you for watching to the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what your favorite part of this video was. And in the comments down below, let me know where y'all's dream vacation spot would be. It don't gotta be like beachy, but as of right now, mine would be Japan. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.